Hello gym owners and managers. In today's quick video, we're going to be going over our brand new updated search page. As always, if you want to do some quick searches, you could still use the global search at top. But now if you click the account icon to the left, you'll be greeted to our up-to-date page. You could still search for first name, last name. Now you could search for the last four of the card that's on file, as well as the quick toggle buttons at the bottom, where we could create a new account from this screen. We could create a new guest list, a new guest from the screen. We could view the guest list or the member list. Let's go ahead and search for a member now. And here comes a family membership. If I click on the member, we'll be greeted with a couple buttons on the right where we can view the account, view the member, add a sale, and add personal training, or just check them in. So if you click add sale, it just goes to the add sale button screen where we can go ahead, charge card on file, sell them what they want to buy, and click next. If you have any questions at all about our new up-to-date sales feature, please give us a call at 855-367-4967. Thanks.